Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. So, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your place. And today we are going to start with the literature. Literature in which we are going to read stories and poems and so many interesting things that we will get to know through literature part. So get ready with your notebooks and note down the important lines, points and character names that we are going to read during this chapter. So first of all, we are going to start with the first chapter, Going to the Fair. It is written by E.B. White. E.B. White is an American writer who wrote many famous children's stories. So one of them we are going to read, Going to the Fair. Fair means fun show, having rides, stalls, games, etc. A show in which we are going to enjoy the swings, we are going to enjoy the games, and so many stalls are there. So in this chapter, first of all, we will discuss about the characters. Characters, what are characters? Characters are the persons in a story, play, film or a novel. एक chapter में जो भी person होते हैं, they are called characters. So in this chapter we are going to read about a family. Family name is Arable family. Okay, so in this family, Mr. Arable, Mrs. Arable, Fern, Avery are there. Fern sister, Avery brother, Mr. Arable and Mrs. Arable. Okay, in this chapter, this family is going to the fair, and we are going to read what are the activities or what are the things they have done. So I'm going to start reading the chapter. Going to the fair. Fern and her brother Avery live on a farm with their parents. Farm means an area of land and its building. So Fern and her brother, they are living with their parents, Mrs. and Mr. Arable. Both Fern and Avery are very fond of the animals. They both of them, brother and sister, love animals that they raise, that they have on the farm, that they look after on their farm. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद थे animals. One day Fern and Avery visit the fair with their parents, and one day they decided that they are going to visit the fair with their parents, and in that fair they are going to take their animals also in the truck. Okay, so let us read about their day. When they decided that they are going to visit the fair next day, so the night before the fair, the night before that day, everybody went to bed early. Everybody slept early, and Avery lay dreaming, and Avery and Fern are thinking about so many things, and Avery lay dreaming. Avery is thinking that the Ferry's wheel had stopped, and he was in the top car. Ferry's wheel is a very large wheel ride at a fair. Very large wheel at a fair, and he was thinking that this Ferris wheel had stopped, and when that wheel stopped, he was in the top car, and Fern lay dreaming that he was on the swings, and Fern is dreaming that she was enjoying the swings, she was on the swings. So next day when they reach the fairgrounds, when they reach the field of fair, when they pulled into the fairground the next morning, they could hear the music. Okay, they could hear the music and see the Ferris wheel turning in the sky. As soon as they reached the fair, they could hear the music and see the Ferris wheel turning in the sky. Ferris wheel, the large wheel, was moving in the sky. They could smell the dust, and they could smell burgers frying, and they are watching the things which are happening around them, and they are smelling. They could smell the dust, and they could smell burgers frying, and they could see balloons aloft. Aloft means up in the air. So they could see balloons were up in the air, and they could hear the flocks of sheep, group of sheep bleating. Bleating means making sound in their pens. Pens means shelter or their house where they were kept. So first they heard the music. Okay, second they saw the Ferris wheel turning in the sky. Then they smelled the dust, smell burger frying, and they could see the balloons aloft, and they could hear flocks of sheep making sound or bleating in their shelter, bleating in their pens. Okay. Next, like we all do when we are reaching at a fun place, both Fern and Avery are very much excited what they are going to do here, and they were asking for the money from their parents, and they were deciding on so many things, what they are going to do, what they are going to eat. So all of this conversation is going on. Can I have some money? Asked Fern. And Fern is asking that, can I have some money? And Avery is also asking that, can I too? क्या मुझे भी मिल सकती है? I am, and Fern is thinking that I am going to win a doll by spinning, by moving a Ferris wheel, by moving or by spinning a wheel, and it will stop by the right number. And Fern is saying to Avery that I am going to win a doll by moving a wheel, and when I will move that wheel, it will stop at the right number, and when that right number will be there on the wheel, I will win a doll. And Avery is saying that I am going to stir a jet plane, I am going to drive a jet plane, and I'm going to bump it, I'm going to hit it or knock it into one another. So they all are, they both are having this fun talk, and next they are deciding on what they are going to buy. Fern asked that, can I buy a balloon? And Avery asked that, can I buy a frozen custard ice cream, soft ice cream, cheeseburger, and a balloon. So they both are deciding on the things that they are going to buy, the activities they are going to do, and they are asking for the money from their parents. So next, when they were asking so many things from their parents, Mrs. Arable stopped them. Mrs. Arable asked them to be quiet till we get the animals unloaded. As I have told you earlier, that they have come to this fair with the animals. So Mrs. Arable asked them to be quiet till they get the animals unloaded. Unloaded means remove the animals from the vehicle or put down the animals. So Mrs. Arable wants to unload the animals first, and she was asking them to keep quiet till then. तब तक आप चुप रहो जब तक हम एनिमल्स अनलोड नहीं कर लेते. बट मिस्टर रेबल सजेस्टेड, मिस्टर रेबल advised, told, let the children go off by themselves. And Mr. Rebel said that let the children go off by themselves. उनको अपने आप जाने दो. They'll let them enjoy by themselves. The fear only comes once a year. क्योंकि fear जो है वो एक बार ही आता है in a year. So Mr. Rabel gave Fern and Avery some pocket money, and Mr. Rabel handed over some money to Fern and Avery. Now, in next lines, we are going to read what advice they have given to their children. There are so many advices that they are giving to their children. Now, run along, he said, and remember, the money has to last all day. And father, Mr. Rabel, was saying them that now you can go, and he made them aware that this money that he was giving them should be with them last all day. सारा दिन ये आपके साथ होनी चाहिए money, whatever the father is giving. He was advising them, do not spend it all, do not spend it all together on very first stall, on very first swing. Spend the money carefully. Okay, do not spend it all in the first few minutes. Be back here at the truck at noon time. And another instruction they get that please back at this place at noon time, so we can all have lunch together. And do not eat lot of stuff. Do not eat lot of things that is going to make you sick to your stomach. He was advising them that do not eat so many things that it will make you sick. So, and if you go on those swings, Mrs. Rabel said them that if you are going to go in those swings, then hold on tight. You hang on tight. Hang on means hold on tight. Hang on very tight means बहुत जोर से पकड़ के रखना है swings को. Hear me, and some more advices. Do not get dirty. Do not get overheated, said their mother. And the mother is saying that do not get dirty while moving here and there, and do not get overheated because of the temperature. Mother is saying that do not get overheated. Overheated means too hot. And their father warned them that watch out for pickpockets. Beware of the pickpockets. Pickpockets are the people who steal from others' pocket, जो पैसे चुरा लेते हैं. तो father is warning them that watch out for the pickpockets, beware of the pickpockets also. So with all these advices, the children grabbed each other's hand, grabbed each other by the hand, hold each other by the hand, and danced off in the direction of merry-go-round. Merry-go-round is a swing. So they were holding each other hand and they were dancing in the direction of merry-go-round toward the wonderful music. They were going to the wonderful music because wonderful adventure, exciting experience they are going to have, and the wonderful excitement. Okay, they were very happy in the direction in which they were going now, the direction which is having music, adventure, excitement. So they were very happy. Mrs. Rabel stood quietly and watched them go, and Mrs. Rabel was little bit worried also because they were, for the first time they were going by themselves. वो अपने आप जा रहे थे. So she was a little bit worried also. Then she sighed, then she breathed deeply, and she blew her nose and breathed out. And she asked Mr. Rabel, do you think it is all right? Because she was worried for the children. And she was asking Mr. Rabel that, do you think it is all right that they are going by themselves? They have not grown up yet. So she was worried that is it the right time that they are going by themselves and managing the things by themselves? So Mr. Rabel said, well, they have got to grow up sometime, and the fair is a good place to start, I guess. And Mr. Rabel said कि कभी तो ऐसा time आएगा that they have to manage the things by themselves, they have to settle the things by themselves. And he said that fair is a good place to start, and in that direction, fair is a good place to start. Fair is a good place where they can learn to manage the things by themselves. So Mrs. Rabel, no doubt Mr. Rabel, both were worried about the children, but they were also have this thought in their mind that at one point they have to grow up and they have to manage the things by themselves, and fair is a good place. So this is all in this chapter, that a Rabel family decided to visit the fair. In a Rabel family, Mr. Rabel, Mrs. Rabel, Fern and every are there, and they could hear so many sounds, the sound of music, the sound of sheep bleating, and they are deciding on so many things, what they are going to buy, what they are going to do, and so many instructions they were getting from their parents also. So this is all in this chapter, and I'm going to ask you 3 questions, if you can answer them on your notebook. So the first question is, what were the sounds that Fern and Avery heard when they reached the fair? कौन सी sounds थी जो Fern और Avery ने सुनी when they reached the fair? Next is, why did Mrs. and Mr. Rabel give instruction to the children? Why did Mrs. and Mr. Rabel give instruction to the children? And third question is, list the warnings that Mr. and Mrs. Rabel gave to the children. List the warnings that they gave to the children, that Mr. and Mrs. Rabel gave to the children. So please try to find out the answer of these 3 questions. I hope I have made you understand this chapter. Thank you. This is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.